Hello, viewers of Good Talent. My name is Akasidi Rehema Birimia, bring to you the news of the day. News headlines. Museveni names suicide bombers who carried out Kampala twin explosions. Deputy Speaker Among asks public to support security agencies in a wake of bomb blasts. Butcherman, Mama Ghetto welcome bouncing baby boy. List of participating restaurants in the Kampala Burger Week. News in details. Museveni names suicide bombers who carried out Kampala twin explosions. President Museveni has provided more details on the suicide bombers who carried out the twin blasts that rocked Kampala on Tuesday morning. In a statement released on Tuesday evening, several hours after the blast, the president provided the names of the alleged suicide bombers. The bomber of CPS was by the names of Mansour Othman, and the one of IGG office is by the names of Wanjusi Abdallah, the president said. He explained that the details were got from the third would-be suicide bomber who was arrested by the security from YC, but noted that he later had bullet wounds and suffered during the arrest earlier on Tuesday. Earlier on at about 10:30 hours, the CMI and police squad had injured and captured the third terrorist in the area of Katoke, Bwaise, with his bomb. He later died but gave us very important information before dying. His name is Musa Modathir, he said. According to President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the attackers are part of the Allied Democratic Forces, ADF group that was recognized as a terrorist outfit. Referring to the deceased suicide bombers as manipulated victims of confusion, the president also blamed those responsible for radicalizing them and described them as pigs. The real pigs are people like in Subuga, the so-called Shei that confused young people of Reza. If blowing oneself up will send you to Jannah, let him blow himself up as an example instead of manipulating young children, Museveni said. He, however, accused him and assured the public that all those who are part of the terror sleeper cells will be brought to book. The terrorists invited us and we are coming for them. Museveni also asked the public to remain vigilant. Therefore, the public should maintain vigilance on checking people at the entry points to bars, parks, hotels, churches, and mosques, and markets, among others. The development come on to the backdrop of CCTV footage released by police showing the three suspected suicide bombers. In one video, a man dressed in black with a backpack is seen passing near the Central Police Station in Kampala, and on reaching the two police patrol cars, the blast went off. Several police vehicles were ripped apart by the blast, whereas a couple of police officers were affected by the explosion. The Tuesday morning attacks claimed the lives of 6 people, and 3 of whom were suicide bombers, whereas 33 people were injured and rushed to Mulago Hospital. The incidents come barely a month after 2 separate explosions rocked a pork-eating joint in Komamboga, a Kampala shrub, and a Swift safari bus along the Kampala-Masaka highway. 2 people died in the explosions. The ADF group operating in the Votinile DRC's North Kivu province near the border with Uganda has seen several military offensives against its bases, but the group has on several occasions regrouped to cause havoc. However, the group founder and the topmost commander, Jamil Mukulu, was arrested in Tanzania and is currently jailed at Ruzila prison. Several other commanders, like Musa Baluku, have raised up to take over command of the group. Deputy Speaker Among asks public to support security agencies in wake of bomb blasts. The Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Anita Among, has asked members of the group to rally behind the country's security agencies in the wake of the twin blasts that hit Kampala yesterday. I ask the country to rally behind our security agencies as they deal with this situation, and may we more than ever stand together as a country and defeat the cowards planning evil against our country, Among said in a statement released on Tuesday afternoon. The Deputy Speaker of Parliament, who sent sympathies to those affected by the twin blasts and their families, described the acts as cowardly and that they should be condemned by everyone in the community. I want to send my sympathies to the families that lost their loved ones in this cowardly act and to pray for their quick recovery for our fellow countrymen and women injured. Police on Tuesday afternoon confirmed that 6 people had died after the twin blasts, targeting the road near Central Police Station and Jubilee Building that went off 3 minutes apart. Security has since condemned off the scene as investigations into the blast go on. Butcherman Mama Ghetto welcoming bouncing baby boy. Presidential advisor on ghetto affairs, Mark Bugembe, also known as Butcherman, and his wife Mama Ghetto expand their family with a new bundle of joy. The couple was over the weekend blessed with a baby boy, and the new addition to their family was welcomed with much love, joy, and blessings. The new baby makes a total of 5 children that the two had together since they had started their living together several years ago. Apparently, we are yet to know what names were given to the baby, but we'll keep you posted when we gather more details. The new band of joy came as a surprise to the couple since they declined to be told by the doctors the gender of the baby when he was still in the womb. Congratulations, Butcherman and Mama Ghetto, upon expanding your family. List of participating restaurants in Kampala Burger Week. Following the official launch of the Castle-Light-sponsored Kampala Burger Week, we look at the list of participating restaurants around the city. The Kampala Burger Week Season 2 was launched on 9th November 2021 at Raiders Lounge, Acacia Place. The Kampala Burger Week has over 40 participating restaurants that shall take part in setting challenges from which winners will be crowned. The over 40 participating restaurants will, among others, be tasked to come up with the most creative burger menus to excite new and existing customers. For every burger purchase, customers will be receiving a burger, free Coca-Cola, and a Castle-Light beer during the Kampala Burger Week from 15th November. Below are some of the 40 participating restaurants around the city: August 80, Bush Pig Backpackers, Canary Hotel, Canteen Divino, El Pacado, Hungry Horse, Java House Acacia Place, Java House Ginger, Java House Lugogo Bypass, Java House Tuto Acacia, Kaveri, Kawatugo, Mambo Cafe, Middle East Restaurant and Cafe, New York Burgers, Onomo Hotel, Pizza Connection, Pretoria House of Marito, Kampala, Pretoria House of Marito Skies, Prunies, Raiders Lounge Acacia, Raiders Road Entebbe, Raiders Lounge Village Mall, Sheraton Kampala, the Best West Plus, the Athena Hotel, the Bistro, the Terrace, Urban Chevron, among others. The promotion runs for the next 2 weeks till Tuesday, 30th November 2021. I'd like to end here telling our viewers to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Good Talent Management, and to like our Facebook page, Good Talent, to share our videos, to comment to the videos, and to tap at the notification bell. Thank you.